such a good
4
boy.
feet tall, 90 pounds, black hair.
Oh,
Rescue alert. Rescue alert.
Beginning at 6:38 p.m.
first rescue alert on my HDR 14.
Rumors of scab under his eye. A child may be in the company of 10 meet the butler, a black female, 5 feet 3 inches tall, unknown weight, black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in 2024. They may be traveling northbound. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Miami Gardens Police Department at 3.
Tall, 90 pounds, black hair and brown eyes are used for all the area. Black female, 5 to 3 inches tall, Miami 47210. Black female,
4 feet tall, 90 pounds.
black hair and brown
Well, how do I know if I'm he becomes a beacon on
This child, please contact the Miami Gardens Police Department at 3. 5474100.
there starts to be a feeling that not just of amusement, but of real concern among conservatives that, wait a minute, is this guy actually going to start changing the rules of the church? And the rules of the church isn't just like
See what?
right? It's the truth.
Whoops. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. See, look. Child abduction emergency counts as a rescue alert. This is considered as rescue alert. Yeah, this is my first ever rescue alert on my HDR 14. So that's why we got a flamber. That's why I got the Wii up too. Well, there you have it.